What's up, YouTube? No Class Garage. So I just picked up this ATC 70 here. It's a 1983. The guy says it won't start. So I'm going to show you the first thing I do when I buy something that won't start. And then I'll show you the fix in the following video. This one's just going to be a short to give you a quick rundown. So first thing I'm going to do is take some starting fluid. Spray it on the air cleaner. Yeah, that might be excessive, but don't judge me. Pump the throttle and pull it over. Oh, look at that. So that tells me it's got carb issues, so we got a clogged jet. So if you go hit the like, comment, and subscribe, follow for the next video. It's gonna be a little bit longer. I'll take the carburetor apart and show you how to fix that. It's actually idling, which is weird, just off starting fluid. But don't forget to subscribe. Wait for the next video of showing how to complete this.